Hey, you guys ever had any homemade potato chips? Well, we got barbecue and we got garlic potato chips, everybody. Here we go. Listen up. Welcome to Cooking with Granny in Mama's Soul Kitchen. Today we are making homemade potato chips, everybody. I'm telling you, it's NFL football day and we are ready to make our own homemade Lay's potato chips, okay? I'm telling you, everybody, it's very simple. You just go ahead and cut up your potatoes very fine and thin. Now, this was the contraption that I was telling you guys about last week with my grandson-in-law had bought this thing. I was like, what is that? He told me it's a spiral thing. So we used it for our salad, everybody. You guys want to know something a little more healthy? Go to our homemade salad that we made. Homemade ranch. Oh, what was that called again? It was homemade dressing, grandmother. We had like lemon and honey. Oh, yeah, homemade lemon and honey dressing, okay, that we made to help with the vegan lovers and all of that good old stuff. So go and check that out on our YouTube channel. But today we're going to be unhealthy because we want to have some fried potato chips, okay? Now, we already showed you guys our buffalo wings, but today we're doing potato chips. You can have this for the children and have your own. Look at how that spiral thing just cut it up so nice and thin. That's how we like it. We bring it over here. We soak it in some ice and make it nice and cold so it won't brown, okay? So when we're nice and ready, we take it out. We put it over here on a nice towel, paper towel, and let it kind of drain a little bit because we don't want the grease popping, okay? We want the grease nice and hot. You can use vegetable oil for your potato chips, everybody, okay? You can use peanut oil. Some people use peanut oil or whatever it may be. But we're going to fry ours in vegetable oil. Use vegetable oil. We like to use our grease more than 3 times, okay? So, stay tuned. All right, we are back. Our grease is piping hot. We got our potatoes here. We're going to go ahead and put those in. They're not going to cook long because they're very thinly cut, everybody. It's not going to take long for these to cook, okay? And we don't want to overload it. We're going to go ahead and just shake it around a little bit in this hot oil, vegetable oil here. Look at that. And it's going to be ready within the next 3 minutes. So, look at that. It's very simple. And then you just get your salt ready. If you want salt, kosher salt, Himalayan salt, whatever it may be, you have your homemade fried chips already ready to go. Okay, that's how we do it. Okay, but today we're going to do ours a little differently. We want to add in some sweet and smoky, some like barbecue seasoning for our chips. Everybody, look at that, it's turning brown, everybody. So it's getting ready. Stay tuned. So these are just about ready to come out. This is our 3rd batch. We're going to dry it off over here. But these are the ones that have already been drained. And I went on to use another paper towel to make sure it's drained. But this is what the potato chips look like. We're going to use some of this sweet and smoky rub right here, which is great, like a barbecue flavor for your chips, everybody, okay? We're going to put that on the chips. Now, you can use regular salt or whatever. Remember that. And do regular if you want that. It's something simple. But look at this. Just be careful of your salt intake, everybody. You just shake it around a little bit. And that seasoning and coats, ting, and all that good old stuff. Let's see here. Look at that there. Just look at it. Ain't that nice homemade chips? Now watch this. Watch this. Oh, these are good. Here, you try it, bread out here. Let me try it. Let me see. Oh, grandmother, these are good. I can't stop. So it's game day, everybody. We're about to go watch the game. You guys enjoy yourself. Look up some of our recipes on our YouTube channel. And we will see you guys later. Love y'all. One more. Oh, that's good. Woo. Okay, let's turn on the game. Okay, come on. Let's go. Let's go, Grandma. Come on. All right, let's go. Well, which one would you like better? Would you like barbecue or would you like garlic? Make sure you guys pay attention and follow us on part 2 of when our grandson-in-law tries these chips. We also have our cookbooks available on Mama Soul Kitchen, the Mama Soul Kitchen regular cookbook on Amazon.com, along with the Sweet Tooth as well for Just Desserts Child from Mama Soul Kitchen, MOMMA Soul Kitchen. See you guys soon.